Today we have an LG V20. There's something wrong with the phone and the phone won't read SIM cards. Let's start the phone and see. There's already a SIM card on the phone, but the SIM tray appears to be broken. Maybe we can fix that. So the phone is not reading the SIM card. So what we're going to do is try to unbend the SIM card tray. Maybe that will fix the problem. If that doesn't fix the problem, we can replace the entire SIM tray. Now let's check whether or not we fix the SIM reader, SIM tray. So we have a new voicemail, and there's no longer an error message, a no SIM card error message. So the phone is fixed. Well guys, this is the end of the video. If you like what you saw, make sure you click the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.